Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, wait. I'm gonna go to the roof. Run. Guys, I'm back because I'm so sorry. It was not the jump. It was the Roblox report. The reporters of UAE. They banned Roblox. Why? Why? And when you do both, look, I cannot. Just remove this. Okay. So look, I didn't do a screenshot of this, but I know why they come up. And my downloads, look how much. Like, oh my god. Never mind, guys. But I'm so sad that Roblox is so gone because of the and now our money is at the drain. Our money is at the drain, down the drain. So now how will we do it? Our Robux is down the drain. Why? Why Roblox? Why reporters of Roblox UAE? Okay, guys, bye. Bye!